here they're asking us for the domain and range of f of g of x. And then they give us g and f. Instead of giving us an equation or a function, they just show us some points in the relationship. So these are things that are in the domain of g, and this is the range, this is the domain of f, and this is the range. So first for f of g, let's write it in our other notation so that we can see f of g of x means we're plugging numbers into g first, then we're going to plug those answers into f. So it's good to know where to start. So first, if we're plugging things into g, g looks like 0, 3, 4, 5, 8 are the things that you can plug into g. And those end up mapping to 2, 4, 7, 8. So 0 goes to 8, basically just copying this down. 4 goes to 2, 3 goes to 4, 5 goes to 7, and 8 goes to 8. So here's what g of x looks like. You put x values into g. Now we want to take those answers and put them into f. So if we look up at f, let's see which ones we can even put into f to begin with. So 2. Notice how 2 isn't in the domain of f, so I can't do that one. All right, 4. 4 looks like it goes to 7 when you plug it into f. And then 7 goes to 7. And 8 goes to 7. And so notice we never hit that 9 because we don't have a 3 to plug in. So basically you're saying which one are you plugging into first. Now what happens to this when we talk about domain and range? Well, notice I can't plug in something into f of g of x unless I can make the whole connection. So the fact that I can't put 2 into f, I can't finish the chain here, means I can't put 4 in the original one. I don't want to put in a number that I can't finish. And so you want to, at the end, have only finished paths. So for f of g, the composition of functions, if you put in 0, you would get out 7, because you'd go to 8 and then put 8 into f. For 3, you get out 4, then you put that into f, you get out 7. If you put 5 in the original function, you get 7, and it takes you to 7. So you have to be able to complete the path. So then when they ask what's the domain of f of g, the domain is whatever numbers you could put in and complete the whole path on. And the range is whatever numbers you get out when you complete the whole path, which in this case happen to just be one number, but that's not always the case. So it's important to see which one you're starting with and then only have complete paths after that.